Welcome to our English learning show. Hello, everyone. I'm Sulafat. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hi friends, I'm Fenrir. Today we have a very useful lesson. Learn English through small talk. Simple phrases for beginners.
Small talk means short, friendly conversations about everyday things, like the weather, hobbies, or how someone's day is going. It's a gentle way to practice English and make new friends.
Exactly. Small talk may feel small, but it's powerful. It builds confidence and helps you practice speaking in real-life situations.
Let's begin with the most basic part, greetings. You can start with a warm greeting, like, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Hey, how's it going?"
Then add a simple comment, something friendly, like, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" Talking about the weather is an easy way to start a chat.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after us, slowly. "Hi, how are you?"
Hey, how's it going?
"Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Great job. You sounded friendly and natural.
Let's look at small talk at work or school. Simple questions are perfect. "How was your weekend?" Or, "Did you do anything fun yesterday?"
And short, friendly answers work well too. It was great. I went to the park. Or, not much. I just relaxed.
Let's practice that exchange. "How was your weekend?"
It was great. I went shopping with my friends.
Excellent. That was natural. Now, another common small talk topic is the day or the weather. You can say, "It's really hot today," or "It's so cold this morning." Someone might respond, "Yeah, I hope it doesn't rain," or "It's perfect day for a walk." Let's try those lines together. "It's really sunny today."
Yes, perfect day for a walk.
Great. Now let's move to hobbies and daily life. Asking about hobbies helps the conversation continue. "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "Do you like watching movies?" And simple answers work perfectly. "I like listening to music." "I enjoy cooking." "I play soccer on weekends."
Let's repeat some of those. I like reading books. I enjoy traveling. I love spending time with my family. Well done.
Now, here are some very useful small talk phrases you can use anytime. "How's your day going?" "What are you up to?" That means, "What are you doing?" "That sounds fun." "Really? Tell me more."
These phrases make you sound interested and friendly. Remember, small talk is not just about words. It's about smiling, listening, and showing you care.
I have a short story to share. One time I met someone from another country at a bakery. She looked a bit shy, but she smiled and said, "Hi, how's your day?" We talked for 5 minutes about bread and weather. That small chat turned into a friendship.
That's the power of small talk. A short, friendly sentence can open the door to new connections.
Let's review a few vocabulary words from today. Conversation, when two or more people talk together. Hobbies, activities you enjoy doing. Relax, to rest or feel calm. Topic, what you are talking about.
Make simple example sentences with me. I had a nice conversation with my neighbor. My hobbies are reading and painting. I like to relax on Sundays. Fantastic.
Now, we'll do a longer practice, a full short conversation you can use in real life. Listen and repeat after each line. "Hi, how are you?" "I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
Not bad. Nice weather today.
"Yeah, it's beautiful." Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, I do. I go there every weekend.
That was a great practice conversation. Short, natural, and friendly.
Let's talk about what to do if you feel nervous. Many learners feel shy before they start speaking. That's normal.
Here are 3 simple tips. Start with one sentence, a greeting. Ask a simple question. Smile and listen. These small steps make the conversation easier.
Another helpful idea is narrate your life in English. Say things out loud like, I'm making coffee, or I'm leaving the house now. It sounds strange at first, but it builds confidence.
Let's do quick narration practice. I am making tea. I am opening the door. I am walking to the bus stop.
Perfect. You're practicing real sentences that you can use every day.
Now, a short reminder about listening. It's just as important as speaking. When someone talks, listen carefully. If you don't understand, it's okay to say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Or, "Could you say that again, please?"
You can also ask simple clarifying questions. What do you mean? Or, can you explain? These questions keep the conversation going and help you learn.
Vocabulary recap. Quick vocabulary recap. Repeat after me. Conversation, hobbies, relax, topic.
Conversation, hobbies, relax, topic.
Now, a small challenge for you, our daily task. Make a short, small talk conversation with one person today in English. It can be your classmate, a coworker, or someone at a cafe. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need courage and practice. Start small, be consistent.
Before we end, let's do one last practice. A short, friendly exchange with emotion. Ready?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. I had a nice walk this morning.
That's wonderful. What did you see?
I saw a beautiful park and some people walking their dogs.
See, that was natural and friendly.
Let's finish with a few affirmations to build confidence. Repeat after us slowly. I'm confident speaking English. I enjoy talking to new people. I'm improving every day. I can do this. Fantastic. You did an amazing job today. Thank you for spending this time with us. We hope you feel ready to try small talk in real life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with a friend and practice together. And remember, small conversations lead to big changes. Thank you for learning with us. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.